today we're going to be making puff puff.
Today we're making hot, delicious puff puff. Today I want to show you how to make puff puff.
Hello my dearest and welcome to my kitchen. Today we are making puff puff, and from the intro you already know whose recipe we are using. SISIYEMMIE is an OG food blogger with over 6 million total views on puff puff videos. So I believe she's the best person to listen to for this video. So I mixed all my dry ingredients. That is, I added my sugar, my nutmeg, my yeast, and to the flour. Then I mixed everything together. Then I added water. Really, you can use water or you can use milk, whatever you fancy. But like I said, this was a very simple recipe. I mixed everything together thoroughly. After watching all her puff puff recipes, I realized she measures in cups and I am a grams girly. So I initially had a drawback, but one major thing I took from her videos was that puff puff is very easy to make, and this is the consistency I am working with. After which I covered and I kept it in one place until it's doubled in size or even tripled. Yes, this is what you're looking for. Then you deflate to remove the air bubbles, and in a pot of medium heat oil. It's important that your oil is not too hot, else it will not fry deeply, and if it's not hot enough, then the dough will just soak in so much oil. So medium heat is good, and you can also do a heat test by using a little bit of dough. By the way, congratulations to SISIYEMMIE on hitting 1 million subscribers on YouTube. Keep inspiring us, ma. See how beautiful the puff puff turned out. They tasted much more amazing. Fun fact, I didn't measure any of the ingredients. I just went ahead and eyeballed everything. Yes, you heard me right. I eyeballed everything and it turned out great. And I think that's because the way she explained in her videos, it made me feel, oh, it's possible to just eyeball the measurements and I'll still get things right. And that was what I did. I'll put a link in the description box of one of our simplest puff puff recipe that actually guided me for this particular video. One frying tip: do not overload the pot, else you're going to have conjoined twins like this. This is what we have, and I will see you in my next video. Whose recipe should I try next? Let me know in the comment section.